English language as international language of communication between states and cultures makes great contribution to the development of the diplomatic and strategic relationship between states. That's why the founder of peace and unity, the leader of nation, our president, respected Emomali Rahmon, has noted in every his message to the parliament the role and importance of the learning some foreign language, especially Russian and English. By the suggestion of the head of the Tajik National University, Professor Khushvakhtzoda Qobiljon Khushvakht, and the assistance of the Dean of the Law Faculty, Qurbonalizoda Nurullo Shamsullo, it has been founded a new group, English group, in the common department of the Law Faculty. By our opinion, to study all of subjects in the field of jurisprudence in English will improve their knowledge of English, and our students will defend the human rights of Tajik people, our citizens abroad, will debate in cases concerning civil matters, criminal, constitutional, administrative, and especially in the sphere of international law. We hope that their knowledge will correspond to the requirements of the world labor market.
As we know, Tajikistan is a part of all, and we can say majority international organizations. And these organizations also providing the activity in Tajikistan. That's why we need specialists with knowing foreign languages, especially English language, for representing our own interests in these foreign organizations providing the activity in Tajikistan. That's why it's great initiative to open new groups with English language, and they will study our subjects in English. Also, it should have great benefit for our society.
With the rise of globalization and exchange of cultures in the world, we need English-speaking lawyers. As the founder of peace, national unity, and leader of nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, stressed in his speech, in order to protect the national interests of the Republic of Tajikistan in international arena, we need English-speaking lawyers. And based on the speech of the founder of peace and national unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, on 2014 ramped up English group based on the Faculty of Law of the Tajik National University, and nowadays there are a lot of students studying.
Today, society specialists with knowledge of international languages in any field are more in demand than ordinary specialists. We young people need to know not only English language but other international language. For example, the official language of United Nations is Spanish, Russian, Chinese, and French. If we want to become international specialists, we must learn and know these languages.
We are very happy that this year the first group in English for general lawyers specialists are opened at the Faculty of Law of the Tajik National University. Along with the English group, there are Tajik and Russian groups in our faculty. Lawyers with knowledge of foreign languages are very much in demand today for our state. We believe that not only in the area of jurisprudence, but in all areas, specialists with knowledge of foreign languages must be trained.